Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Walking Dead season 11, the last one, episode 8, the last one of that first half of the season that we're gonna have right now. I think... No, I don't know when we're gonna have the second half of the season. I was searching, but I was like, no, in December it's the second half of La Casa de Papel, in the new season of The Witcher. I was really like thinking about the schedule that I have. I don't know, but maybe they're gonna tell us the date, you know, at the end of this episode 8, maybe. So, end of the first half of the season, you know my theory, my rule also with shows that I'm watching. For me, when you have a show like that with a lot of actions and all, it's really like you have to lose a lot during the season to finally win at the end during the two last episodes of it. And for The Walking Dead, I have the impression that they are following that rule because of the fact that for now our guys they are separated into different places and they are not in a good position into all of these different places. Like what is happening into Alexandria, they are starving, they are forced to eat horses, and they are also thinking about the fact that maybe they can't rebuild again and again Alexandria. Maybe at some point they're gonna have to leave. Can they take that decision during this episode? I don't think so, but maybe they can experience something bad, like they can be attacked by deaths again and it can be really bad. Like maybe during this episode they're gonna take that decision. They're not gonna leave, but they're gonna take that decision. We have the ones into the Commonwealth and they are also into a bad position with Eugene who has been arrested because he saved someone. Okay, he punched that guy also after that in his face. But if that guy, you know, is someone with a lot of privileges, he's a spoiled kid, obviously, and he's Milton's kid, which is really not great, you know, if you are thinking that the leader of that community of the Commonwealth can have a kid like that, it means that she's letting stuff like that, she agrees with that. I said it, the Commonwealth, they are really representing the old system, the old world with money, with persons who have power and the other ones who are less rich and who are forced to work for the richer. All of that, it's not good, and at first I thought that maybe some of our guys would be interested still to be into this community because they have kids and kids can live well into it. But after that we discovered that Yumiko's brother is not saying, you know, that he was a surgeon and all. I thought that he said it and after that he had the choice to be a surgeon or to be a baker, but in fact no, he didn't say it, he did it like he knows that if he's saying it, he's not gonna have the choice. So really they are taking advantage of people into that community, they are using people, and there is really that frontier between rich and poor and all of these games of power, of money and all. That's really bad. But at the end of the last episode, Eugene was ready to say the coordinates of Alexandria, and I hope that he didn't do it, not really. We'll see. We have also Negan, Maggie, all of them. Right now they are building, creating an herd of deaths to attack Pop and his men, which is bad because we have Daryl right now into that group. I think that we're gonna have that attack, that battle during this episode. Maybe we can have Daryl being discovered also by Leah and by the other ones as being a traitor for them, you know, like in fact he was not with you at all. I think that we're gonna have that during this episode. Pop is gonna survive. He's an interesting character, an interesting villain that you want to keep for the second half of the season, in my opinion, so I think that he's gonna survive. Can we have news about Alden? It's really gonna be my running gag of this season. and I'm not gonna give up on him until we're gonna see him dead, you know, as one of the deads, or really body cold, eyes closed, you know, like I'm not gonna accept it in another way. Connie is gonna be back, I think, into Alexandria during this episode. It's gonna be so great to see her back like that. Yes, I'm expecting something like that, you know, for this episode 8. I'm expecting our guys to lose, to have some bad moments. Can we lose someone during this episode? It would be great. It wouldn't be great at all. I don't want to lose any of them. But for how they are writing this season, it could be great to have that shock, you know, during this episode 8, like we are losing someone important or something like that. For the development of the characters, I'm really interested by the evolution of this relationship between Maggie and Negan. They can't be friends for sure, but now they are really talking to each other and they trust each other. They made a promise to each other. To make a promise with someone, you have to trust a little that person. You have to expect things from that person. That's such an evolution. I'm interested also by Gabriel. I think that for this season it's gonna be unpredictable and maybe at some point it's gonna be dangerous, you know, to have someone like that next to you. I'm not sure. We'll see what's gonna happen with Gabriel. For Aaron also, his evolution can be interesting because he's really the one who is fighting hard to keep Alexandria, to stay into Alexandria. So if at some point he has to give up on that, that's gonna be a big step for his character. So far, I really appreciate that final season. I think that the first episodes were really impressive for how it was done, filmed, written. That was so good. The musics were so good, but also how it was filmed and all the quality of it, that was so great. For the last episodes, it was less interesting for that, you know, for how it was done, but it was more like the last seasons. I hope that for this final episode of the first half of the season, they're gonna come back to the quality of the first episodes, you know. They have really to play with that for this final season to give us what they promised us during the first episode. Something that I'm a little afraid of for that final season is the fact that they promised us so much for this final season with these first episodes to explore all of these society subjects about the old world, the new world, money, stuff like that, and all evolutions for characters, for relationships. Like, we're gonna spend time really with them, so they're gonna take time on screen really for them. We have all of these different groups that we have to deal with. We have all of these different things, you know, for the stories that we have to do, that we have to evolve with. Like, they promised us so much, and with that quality for the writing, for how it's gonna be filmed, for all of the production behind that, with the musics, with the lights and all, really the first episodes promised us so much that they have to keep their promises. And that's something that I'm afraid of, because we don't have a lot of time neither, so to deal with all of that, it's gonna be hard for them. We'll see if they're gonna succeed or not. Okay, I'm gonna watch the episode right now. Like usually, you have my Patreon, on which you can have the episodes earlier and with an extended horror reaction part. Check the description to know what I put on my Patreon for this one. Let's go for it! It's really a weather, you know, The Walking Dead weather. It's raining, it's grey, it's, you know, it's beginning to be cold and all. Like, really, I'm into a good mood, like environment to watch The Walking Dead. I like that. The Walking Dead with a lot of sun outside and all. No.
It's about an hour ago.
I don't know.
I can leave him out about 2 miles, just double back. It's worth this risk. You know, balls.
If you want to fight, please go fight them and go be killed.
Jason's wife. Think you can move those rods?
Sure.
I can do it.
You're looking good, you. I'm sorry. You understood their real and you wanted a way to talk with them. Behind you? Many more. storm for Alexandria, it's really not a good news.
Remember what Mom said about storms? They're always followed by clear skies.
Oh. Oh! All of us will want that.
That's the noise. What was that? His belong.
Yes.
He's already dead.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've seen him kill dozens of robbers at a time.
No, they didn't kill him.
You had more than that right there. Come on.
She did. My enemy.
You thought that woman was out there? And you sent Paul in? What was he, bait?
He was a soldier.
Leah, she already disobeyed to you,
Soldiers.
responded to you during the last episode. Right there,
He
you
was family.
Yes.
killed someone in a way, one of yours.
Son.
God didn't send him out there. You did.
Ooh, pop.
Something you disagree with, Sean?
Mm-hmm.
Get that panel back up and fire out.
We need 3 teams.
No. You just got that.
If she's up for it, we use help.
I can go with you too.
Oh, thank you,
Andrew,
Judith, but I
please.
preferred if you stayed here.
I'm not scared.
No, I know you're not.
Where was he touch you, okay?
Can't you stay and let somebody else go?
You see?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, I was afraid for her to sneak out. Girls, I'm afraid. What I said in intro, I think that maybe one person is gonna die today and it could be one of them.
Bonus are gone. Well, I'm not keeping you around. You said God chose me.
Hmm.
I had this dog, but the thing with some of these rescues, contrast. Might be good to decide whether to let them out of hand. Body off. Don't worry. Ain't gonna lick you. Just don't try to fight with you. Two. Have like hell, have a strangle a dog.
It's like, okay, I believe you, but still, I'm threatening you.
Somehow she has turned the dead against the living.
Mm-hmm.
Strong as this game. Oh, it's strong enough. I won't get that far.
Oh, fuck. They are clever enough, they were not in front line.
I wish I was more like you. I'm never afraid.
Oh,
That's not true.
she's good at hiding it.
Yes. Yeah. You can too. I love talking. Just like
Each time that she's talking about mission, it's
fight for you. Makes you strong.
sweet
Proud of
to
you.
this.
You know where she went?
I don't. Sorry.
Looking for your dad.
I see her in the way you hold your sword. The way you're ready to run into the storm. Your mom is still with you.
Oh, I have.
But wherever she is, you're with her.
I love you so much. We all love you
Ricky,
so
be
much.
careful.
We said be careful.
Maybe this war was coming. And in every war counts. Sacrifice.
Willingly or not for you.
First place. They didn't die in vain.
I thought that it was him.
So sacrifice shows we are still worth.
Already a man of war,
We
you know.
will prevail.
He's used to tell things like that. You're gonna recognize his mask is using the same, remember? You know the plan now. You have the confirmation of it.
And you're missing all the fireworks. Dixon.
Never had doubt about you being with us.
Yeah.
Okay, you thought of it further than me. Never had doubt. all about food, you know, more than revenge. But Maggie, does she remember that now?
Ready to watch.
The what?
That's how we're going to end this.
You're never on your own. Top floor, second room, southwest corner of the building.
I must say, we do this. And we get the food. We go home.
You know that you're there for the food and not for revenge, Maggie. Where are our guys?
Look, they're behind you. Keep it close. Alright, how much?
Rosita, not you! I said one of them would die today. Not Rosita, please. She was the one, you know, to reassure Judith. She's so good. Look at Anna. And Judith is watching Madame. What a queen!
Let's stay away from the windows.
She would protect you. You can really be a good leader, Rosita. Episode by episode, I'm thinking of it more and more. It was their places, so maybe she told you where to find guns, stuff to attack them from the inside.